Nifty may remain depressed from persistent inflation-related concerns. Nifty's most important bearish signal, the 10-year US Treasury note yields has spiked to 4.064%, the highest in 4 months. In early action, SGX Nifty is well above the dotted lines. Our call of the day, however, suggests bears will look to seize control on any intraday strength, as PMA bears will aim Nifty to close well below the 200 DMA at 17,397 mark and eagerly await psychological 17,000 mark. Adding strength to our pessimistic calls are hawkish statements from 1. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic. 2. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari. Raphael Bostic maintained the view that the policy rate needs to rise to the 5.00% to 5.25% range and remain at that level well into 2024. Neil Kashkari reiterated that inflation in the US is still very high and that their job is to bring it down. Kashkari also noted that the risk of under-tightening is greater than the risk of over-tightening. After the two Fed members' comment, the 2-year US Treasury yield spiked to 4.92, highs not seen in more than a decade, while the yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury hit 4.064% and most importantly, very much comfortable above the 4% mark, levels last seen in early 2nd November 22. Bottom line, the expected pace of rate hikes likely to drag the US economy into a recession. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, DIIs bought shares worth Rs 2,129 crores. Fando Options data suggests Nifty's range of 17,000 to 18,000 zone. India VIX is at 12.97 levels. Nifty PCR is at 1.22. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.02. Nifty's outlook for the day, volatile and choppy. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Sentiment is precarious. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a consolidation. Nifty, CMP 17,322. Nifty support at 17,191 mark. Biggest Nifty interweek hurdles now at 17,627 mark. Nifty's range for the day is seen between 17,150 to 17,450 zone. Bias for the day, neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 40,390. Bank Nifty support seen only at 39,419 levels. Major resistance at 41,179. Bank Nifty range for the day at 39,700 to 40,700 zone. Bias for the day, neutral. In yesterday's trade, Nifty tumbled as sentiment remained sour. The trading theme also revolved around Adani Group firms, which sold shares worth 15,446 crore rupees to GQG partners via block deals. The major block trade transactions happened in 4 of the company's subsidiaries: Adani Ports, Adani Green Energy, Adani Transmission, and Adani Enterprises Limited. Shares of Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy, Adani Wilmar, and Adani Power had jumped around 5% each. That said, despite the positive news, the Nifty's technical landscape still favors the bear camp, and only a sustained move beyond 17,621 mark will negate the near-term bearish outlook.